If you're over 50 and you don't have this one thing in place, your family could be on the hook for $8,000 or more overnight. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to help you because I talk to families every single week who are going through the worst day of their lives. And on top of all that grief, they're scrambling to figure out how to pay for a funeral. Stay with me for the next 15 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly what this bill looks like, why it catches so many families off guard, and what you can do right now to make sure it never happens to yours. Here's what most people don't realize. The average funeral in America costs $7,148, and that's the median, meaning half of funerals cost more than that. Add a burial vault, a nicer casket, flowers, a reception, you're easily looking at $10,000 to $12,000. But what about cremation? I hear that a lot. Cremation is not free. A basic cremation still runs $2,000 to $4,000, and most families still want a memorial service on top of that. Now here's the part that really gets me. You know what Social Security pays for a death benefit? $255. That's it. $255. That number hasn't changed since 1954. That doesn't cover the flowers, let alone the casket. Right now, there are over 100,000 GoFundMe campaigns for funeral expenses. Let that sink in. 100,000 families asking strangers on the internet to help them bury someone they love. I don't say that to make you feel bad. I say it because it doesn't have to be that way. Your children should never have to choose between paying their rent and giving you a dignified goodbye. That's not a choice anyone should have to make. Okay, so what's the solution? It's called final expense insurance. Some people call it burial insurance, funeral insurance, or just a small whole life policy. It all means the same thing. Here's what it is in plain English. Final expense is a permanent life insurance policy, typically between $5,000 and $40,000. That's designed to cover your end-of-life costs. Funeral, cremation, medical bills, credit card debt, whatever your family needs it for. Here's what makes it different from the term insurance you might have heard of. Number one, it never expires. Term insurance runs out after 10, 20, 30 years. Final expense is permanent. It's there for your entire life, as long as you keep paying the premium. Number two, your rate never goes up. The price you lock in today is the price you pay forever. Period. Number three, no medical exam. I want you to hear that clearly. No medical exam, no blood work, no needles, no doctor's visit. You answer a few health questions on the phone, and that's it. Number four, almost everyone qualifies. Whether you're 45 or 85, whether you have diabetes, high blood pressure, COPD, there are plans designed specifically for people with health conditions. Number five, claims are paid fast. We're talking 24 to 48 hours in most cases. Your family gets a check, usually by direct deposit, within a day or two. That means they can handle everything without dipping into savings, without borrowing money, without setting up a GoFundMe. And here's the thing nobody tells you about cost. This can start as low as $25 to $40 a month. That's less than your phone bill, less than a streaming subscription, less than $1 a day. Think about that. For less than the cost of a daily cup of coffee, you can make sure your family never has to worry about how to pay for your final expenses. Now you might be thinking, okay, this sounds good, but who are you? Why should I trust you? Fair question. Let me tell you exactly who I am and how this works. I'm a licensed independent insurance broker. That word, independent, is the key. It means I don't work for any single insurance company. I'm not a Mutual of Omaha guy. I'm not an Americo guy. I'm your guy. I have access to every top-rated carrier in the country. So when you call me, I don't try to sell you one product. I shop all of them and find you the best rate for your specific situation. If you're a healthy 62-year-old, I'll find you the absolute lowest preferred rate. If you're 75 with diabetes and high blood pressure, I'll find you the carrier that specializes in approving people with those exact conditions. That's what independent means. And every single carrier I work with is A-rated by AM Best. That's the gold standard in insurance ratings. These are companies that have been paying claims for 50, 80, over 100 years. Every plan is regulated by your state's Department of Insurance. That means there are real laws protecting you. If a company doesn't pay a valid claim, your state goes after them. I've helped hundreds of families get coverage, and I'm going to be honest with you, not everyone needs the same thing. Some people need $10,000, some need $25,000, some people are better off with a guaranteed issue plan, and some qualify for a much cheaper preferred plan. My job is to figure out what's right for you, not what makes me the biggest commission. I treat every person who calls me the way I'd want someone to treat my own mom or dad. That's not a sales pitch. That's just how I was raised. Before you make any decision, I want to address the 5 things I hear most often, because if you're thinking any of these, you're not alone. I already have coverage through my job. That's great, and I'm glad you have something. But here's what most people don't realize. The day you retire, get laid off, or even switch jobs, that coverage vanishes, just like that. And by then, you're older. Maybe you've got a health condition, and now insurance costs 2 or 3 times what it would have cost today. Your work plan is a bonus, not your safety net. I can't afford it right now. I hear you. But let me put it this way. We're talking about $25 to $40 a month for most people. That's about $1 a day. Now compare that to the $8,000 your family would face overnight. Which is harder to afford? I'm healthy right now, I don't need it. That's actually the best reason to get it now. When you're healthy, you qualify for the lowest rates. The moment something changes, a diagnosis, a new medication, your cost goes up. I've seen people go from $35 a month to $120 a month because they waited 1 year. Health is your leverage. Use it while you have it. My kids can handle it. I know you raised great kids, but do you want them to handle it? They'll be grieving. They might have mortgages, car payments, student loans, and now they have 72 hours to come up with thousands. Most families tell me the same thing. I don't want to be a burden. This is how you make sure you never are. Let me think about it. Absolutely. Take your time. But here's something worth knowing. Your rate is based on your age and health today. Every birthday that goes by, it goes up. The quote I give you today is the cheapest it will ever be. Get the quote, take it home, sleep on it. Zero obligation. So, here's what I want you to do right now. Look at the description below this video. You'll see a link. Click it. It takes about 30 seconds to answer 3 simple questions: your age, your state, and whether you use tobacco. That's it. Once you do that, I will personally call you back within 60 seconds with your exact quote. Not a bot, not a call center, me. Or if you'd rather just call, the number is right on screen. We're available Monday through Saturday. Here's what I promise you. There's no pressure. There's no hard sell. I'm going to give you the facts, give you your options, and let you decide what's best for your family. If it makes sense, great. If it doesn't, no hard feelings. But here's the one thing I can't do. I can't stop the clock. Your rate is based on your age right now. Every birthday that goes by, it goes up. The quote you get today will be the lowest you'll ever see. Do this for your family. Do it for your peace of mind. Click the link or call the number. And if this video helped you, do me one favor. Share it with someone you love. Send it to your mom, your dad, your aunt, your best friend, because everybody deserves to know about this, and most people don't until it's too late. I'm Matt, and I'll talk to you soon.